It's Mac here, and today is a really beautiful day. It's late summer and we're right on the verge of fall. That's what it feels like outside. It's nice, brisk temperature out here, and it's the time of year where apples are getting ready, so they're getting ripe. And we're going out today and we're going to pick some apples and we're going to make some apple juice because we have a lot of apples falling off the trees. We've been eating them. There's way more apples than we can eat, and I was like, hey, it'd be really cool to have a great experience with the kids if we make some apple juice. I've never done this before, so I ordered all the parts and components offline. We built the apple press. We built the apple crusher. Blakely helped me put all those together. A nice, wonderful dad-daughter experience right there. And then the rest of the experience is going to be me and the rest of the family picking apples, grinding them up, and making some apple juice. So come along, let's go make some apple juice, guys. Old school style, the way it used to be done back in the old days.
Saturday afternoon here. I can't wait to go do this with the kids. We're gonna go apple picking and then make our own apple juice. I'm so excited to do this have this new experience with the kids. I can't wait.
Okay, so you can see we already have a lot of apples on the ground. We're gonna pick the apples off the trees because bugs are still out, so we're not gonna pick any apples off the ground. I don't want those bugs and things been on those. We're gonna get the apples off the trees, and we'll probably do this again a little later once the pears are ready. The pears aren't ready yet, but we're gonna do this with the apples right now. Let's get out here. These are really good. We have like 1, 2, 3 apple trees out here, different varieties. It should make some really tasty apple juice. You have that blend of flavors from the different varieties. So these aren't quite as ripe, so be careful with these. Not all these are ripe. Pick up on it lightly, pick up on it, Trey. Lift straight up into the air. On the apple. So let me see. So y'all, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many of y'all is it? 5 of y'all. How many is it? 5. Y'all done picked 20 apples. Let's go. Let's go. We need more. We need more. We making apple juice, y'all. Come on. We need more than 20 apples. Let's go.
It's fun, but it's hard to like find the good apples.
It's hard to find the good ones? Yeah. There's some good ones on there though. Let's see your picking technique, Matthew. Matthew, what about the 2 right there in your face? You don't gotta reach that high. What about the 2 dead in your face? Okay, so we made the apple mash. We picked the apples and we mashed, and now we're gonna take it into the house inside and we're gonna press out our apple juice. This has been a lot of fun so far. It's been a lot of fun, and it's going pretty good. We have 2 buckets of mash. I didn't even know we were gonna make it this far, right? Let's keep going. Put it into the bag. Who wants to take the first sip?
What? What?
Here.
Take a try. What?
How's it taste?
Like apple and just apple.
Here.
Nothing else.
Hold on, Matthew. What does it taste like?
It tastes like you're eating an apple.
It tastes like you're eating an apple?
Yeah, that's what it tastes like. I don't let you bite.
Okay, so we ended up with 7 liters of apple juice, which we're going to freeze. Because we're not going to drink all of it. It only stays fresh for about 3 days. So if we decide not to freeze one, we can drink it right now. The rest we have to freeze. You could can it, but I decided it's quicker and easiest to just freeze it. We have freezer space. Worm composter, we love it. This is what we use to make our worm compost. You can see all of our plants here. But we're going to give them some of the apple mash.
Are they worms?
There are worms.
There they are.
Yeah.
Oh,
Put that on top.
inside the thing. Is that enough?
More.
Yeah.
Go get some more.
Go get
We'll
some
spread
more.
it across.
Oh.
Yep, this is our worm composter. It has
I like
multiple
this.
layers, and they're pretty much done with this. I gotta empty this pretty soon, probably in another week. The cool thing about this worm composter is all of your vegetable scraps, onion peels, little carrot shavings, they all go in here. Worms eat it, and then it turns into food and great compost for all of the plants. I mean, it just is a great system. So you can get your hands on this worm composter. Check it out. Experience.
It was very cool. I think the best part of the experience was, I think the crushing part was the funnest part because it smelled really appley and I liked turning the crank thing.
Okay, so that ended up being a lot of fun. We made 7 liters of apple juice and only a couple of, six gallons to it, like half, not even full 5-gallon buckets. But we made 7 liters of apple juice. I think it was a great experience. I think the kids learned a lot. I learned a lot.
Right. It was great to hear the kids' questions as we were going through the process. Like, well, how do you get this and how do you get that? It was great to have that and have that natural opportunity to teach them more about apple processing.
Yeah, apple processing. We talked about other fruits. We talked about really the measurements of how much is a liter. We decided to switch it to liters because that was what was in the bag that we were measuring in. That seemed the easiest way to do it. We talked about the liter conversion back to gallons. We talked about those measurements. We talked about bees because as we were, getting these apples off the trees, especially we started grinding them up, a lot of bees started to show up, the sugars. So it was a really great teachable moment, I think, for the kids. I think they really enjoyed it.
Yeah. It was a nice way to integrate a lot of different topics, subjects into one, not necessarily concise, but one big lesson, and that was good.
Yeah, so that's kind of our theme now. We're kind of going forward and focusing on those different activities that can kind of add a lot of attributes, a lot of goodness to us as adults, because we still need to have fun.
Right.
But then what can the kids take from it? What can they learn from it? They're at the age where they're learning a lot more, and we want to add in a little more of that into their development. We're here in England. We have the whole UK to kind of go around and enjoy ourselves, and we're just learning a lot. So if you know some great places that we could go as a family and you think it would be a great idea for us to go, let us know. We're definitely looking to go to a pumpkin patch.
Yeah, maybe a sunflower patch as well.
Yeah, if we can catch the sunflowers before they're over, that's some things that we're talking about. But hey, drop down in the comments, let us know if you can think of something else you think would be a cool idea for us to do as a family that could also be turned into an educational experience, because we love fun and we do have a lot of fun, but if we can educate as well, then we're really like, that's 2 for 1, right?
Right.
So hey guys, if you like this content, you have anything else?
No, I think that covered it all.
Be sure to like and subscribe. Until next time.
Take care.